What's good with it, fam? Y'all back with your boy Polo Red and the Empire, man. I appreciate all the likes, comments, shares, and everybody subscribing, blowing up the channel. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all go cop this book right here from us, and then back door cop this book, because it got all the questions y'all keep hitting me up, asking me on the telly. You know what I'm saying? So just cop them 2 books, read the information. It got step-by-step plays in it on what you need to do to get to the bag. Hey, and after I say that, man, let me say this, man. Our channel is for entertainment, education purpose only. You know what I'm saying? I ain't out there trying to compete with a lot of people out there doing the same thing. So if y'all rocking with us, man, just keep rocking with us, man. Leave a comment. If you busting the plays and they working for you, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? That's all we asking. Just giving you free game if somebody else might try to charge your arm or leg for. We gonna give it to you free. So with that being said, let's jump to the next video. What's good with it, y'all, man? I'm glad y'all came back. Check out the video. This video right here, man, I'm telling y'all about the public record book. But here's the deal on the book. In the next 48 hours, if you hit me up on the telly, I'm giving the book away for 50 bucks. But everybody asking me, hey Red, I keep getting denied. I can't get in public records. A public record's jacked up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm doing the rewards. Something ain't working. I don't know what's going on. And I asked you like over and over, like, how you put in that work? You know what I'm saying? You've been putting in the work. Yeah, man, I did like 200 rewards. And I'll be like, all right, now let's think outside the box here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You're doing 200 rewards. A person just don't fill out rewards. You know what I'm saying? So let's go over here to the book. This the book. And in this book, it's step by step, day by day, things for you to do to make the public record strong. You're gonna stop getting denied. You're gonna stop getting in these places where you're gonna say, oh, they need me to verify this, they can't verify that. You know, and this is a book that we put together, the whole swipe game of things we did step by step to get to the bag. You know what I'm saying? So look, let's go down a little bit. Rock with me for a minute. Okay, so right here, this page 1, day 1. Page 1, day 1. As you see, I'm gonna leave it here for a second. On day 1, a couple of things you need to do. Now, if you look on here on day 1, it's not one thing that says about a reward. That's something that people just be spending out there over and over, and then everybody say, okay, man, that's what you gotta do. And don't get me wrong, public rewards is good. It's like salt and pepper on your food. You know what I'm saying? Let's make it a little bit better. But to get that public record strong, you're gonna need more than just doing some Chick-fil-A rewards, Walgreens rewards, Sears. Like, come on now. You gotta think about it outside the box. You gotta put your head into it. Like, you've been living, say you 27, you've been living 27 years. You got 27 years worth of public records floating around out there. Now you just made your CP. That's fresh. You're trying to catch up with 27 years in one day, and you think 200 rewards gonna get you there? Come on, how many rewards have you filled out in your 27 years of living? Think about that. Have you did 200 rewards? Most of y'all ain't even did 10 rewards in your lifetime. So why you think 200 rewards gonna help a CP get better? You're gonna have to put out some real public records. And a lot of y'all be like, well, what's real public records? I'm gonna go down so you see more of this day 1. Well, real public records is in the book. It's more things to do than just rewards. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you look at what's going on, Zip Recruiters, you know what I'm saying? Career Builders, Indeed, LinkedIn, Jobs.com. Those are real public records. You know? And look, this is page 2, day 2. You know? And there goes some more information that you can use for public records. Like I say, you're supposed to follow this book step by step, day by day, to get to the bag, to build that foundation of what you're trying to do. you know. And a lot of you got a different goals. Like I talk to you on the telly all the time, and you're like, hey, Red, hey, I'm messed up. I'm, this and that. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to get some money to invest. I'm trying to get some money to do this. I tell you, if you do what you're supposed to do, this is gonna give you a second chance to make the right moves, to invest in yourself, to get in your feet, to take the money to put in your business, to grow your business, to invest in your personal credit, invest in your business credit, LLC, get your business funding right. If you take the information that you're giving away, you can go. And let me get back to the book, man. I keep going on and on. I'm gonna skip a couple of days just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's skip a little bit more. Okay, check this out. We're on page 9, day 16. And look, on day 16, it's telling you to go self, kick off, cobalt, stuff like that. Now, a lot of y'all hit me up, and this day 16. Y'all hit me up, hey, day 3, I tried self, man. I couldn't get in. They said I need to verify me. Saying, this your 3rd day? You're like, yeah, it's my 3rd day, but I did like 300, rewards. I say, so you think the system ain't smart enough to realize that whatever you done made up only been existing 3 days, and with the little information you didn't put out there, you think they shot your information enough where it's verified? You really think that it's gonna jump that quick with Chick-fil-A and Walgreens? You think Walgreens shooting your information out there that quick? You gotta think outside the box, people. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be on a different mindset of thinking of what you're trying to do, what you're trying to accomplish, and take your time. Like I say, this day 16 before you apply for self. I talk to y'all every day. Y'all apply for self on day 3, day 2. Some of y'all do it on the 1st day. After you get in Credit Karma, you like, oh man, it's a green light. I'm good. I'm working. it don't work that fast. If you're trying to get to the bag, it's more steps and more work you're going to have to put in to get in. And that's all it is to it. Let's skip down a couple more days. Let's look at page 13, 31, day 31. What it's telling you to do. Get some renter's insurance. Get some renter's insurance. Okay, USPS. Okay. So there's some things that it's telling you to do, on day 31. When you finish, the book is 35 days worth of information. So think about it. You set your public records up for 35 days. Once you do these, your public records should be a strong enough foundation where you can go and get into a lot of those things you've been trying to get into. 35 days, step-by-step work. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of you like, hey bro, what's going on? I just got it. I'm trying to get it. What I'm telling you is you're going to need to put that work in. If you go buy some land, the house ain't going to be ready the next day. Or not even the 3rd day. I don't care how many people you put on your crew. You can go get a 200-man crew. They're not going to build a whole house in 3 days. So that's like you telling me you done did 200 rewards. Your house is still not built in 3 days, bro. It's just not going to happen. Then you can say, well, I'm going to go get 500 people. If you go get 500 people to build your house, 300 of them people just going to be standing there. There ain't going to be no work for them to do. It's only so much can get done. You only can put one brick at a time. You got to lay the bricks a certain way to build a house. You can't be laying bricks this way and the other 3 people laying bricks the other way and y'all going to meet in the middle. What if one of y'all did something wrong? Then it's going to be uneven. Your house going to look all messed up. It's the same thing with the public records, man. Take your time. Get it day by day, step by step. You're going to stop getting denied. You're going to get in them places you've been trying to get into. I got to stop saying some of the words because YouTube, they be a little strict on what you can say now on the internet, you know. So if you already got book 1 and 2, then you already know what we talking about. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't have to keep saying it over and over. It's already understood. It don't need to be explained. You already know what you came to the channel to get. Some good game for the low and for the free. So soak it up, use it to your benefit, and get you to that next level. You know what I'm saying? Get the bag, invest in the proper things, and hey, let me know. But make sure you go cop that book, Public Records, CPN. You know, hit me on the telly. Holla, say you need credit repair, business credit, business funding, hit us up for mentorship, all that good stuff. But back to the video, man. Make sure y'all get the book, follow step by step, and y'all get to the bag. Man, I appreciate y'all checking me out another video, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share. Hey, man, we out. The Empire.